So I'm gonna show you how to create a constrictor knot. So get your cord, put this behind your dowel, make this X sign, put this cord over this longer cord, and put this cord behind this X sign that we just created. Most of the time, I use this knot to hang my wall hanging. Now, let's apply this knot for this wall hanging. Get your cord. For this cord, I'm using 1 feet length of cord. Put this behind your dowel. Make an X sign. Using the same cord, put this over this straight cord and put this behind your X. Then pull both ends. So what I usually do is I pull it up so basically the X sign is on top of my dowel. Don't worry about this hanging cord, we're gonna cut it later. Now using the same cord, we'll do the same thing onto the other side. We'll also do a constrictor knot. So same thing, put this over, make an X sign, then put this cord on top and behind this X sign. Tighten, and I'm also gonna pull it up so the X sign is on top of the dowel. Now, you could just easily cut this excess cord, but for me, I just want to make sure that it is super secure, so I'm just gonna add another simple knot before I cut this long cord. Sorry if I'm covering it with my hand, but basically this is just a simple knot. Okay, and then once done, I'm just gonna cut this. And I'll also do the same thing onto the other side. And done. You could also try this knot for this macrame wall hanging. Just click the link in the description box below.